Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing great. Welcome to today's video. In today's video I'm going to review a compact powder and it is from the brand Blue Heaven. So this is the Blue Heaven Matte Effect Compact Powder. If you have watched my previous haul video, I did show it in that video, and I also mentioned that how I really wanted a compact powder. I couldn't get my hold on it because there is a lockdown obviously out here. अभी तक कुछ ठिकाना नहीं है. We're already in June right now, so we'll see what happens. But currently, because online websites are giving home delivery and stuff, so I have been purchasing products on and off because I need to review them on my channel. So if you can see, I have not worn any makeup today because I would need to do a demo with this compact powder in order to review it and share my final thoughts. So if you're interested in knowing more about this compact powder, please keep on watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, if you're watching me for the first time, and if you like beauty and lifestyle related content, please consider subscribing to my channel. It's absolutely free. Also hit on the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever I upload a new video. So without wasting further time, let's get started. Alright friends, so without wasting further time, I'm just quickly going to brief you about this product. So it does come in this yellow cardboard packaging. Now this is not a new product launched by Blue Heaven. There is one powder in particular which I have been eyeing, and let me tell you, it's always out of stock, whether it's on Nykaa or whether it's on Purple. These are the two places I would usually consider buying. I don't like to buy from Flipkart, and Amazon always has like 80 and 70 rupees shipping, so I will wait till that comes in stock. It's a new launch apparently, but this one is a fairly old launch because I have seen a lot of reviews on YouTube and I couldn't see something better than this online. I wanted to purchase an LAT Olivia one, but I thought why not go ahead and try this, because I think I've never tried a compact powder from Blue Heaven. So it comes in this yellow cardboard packaging, and there are a lot of things written out here. It says key ingredients is talc, mica, and XYZ perfume and colors. So yes, it has talc. So if you're somebody who is very particular about having no talc in your compact powder, stay away from this. Although I feel literally every brand is putting talc in that. Now it claims to give matte effect. यहाँ पे बहुत कुछ लिखा हुआ है. I'm not going to read it out. You can go ahead and check it out on their website. It is priced at rupees 150. I got it for 105 rupees. So 100 रुपये में मुझे compact मिल गया. So nothing better than that. I always shop from Purple, and lately they are always having this discounts like buy 2 get 20% and buy 3 get 40%. So expect a lipstick review in future as well, because I have ordered a couple of them. So I got this for 105. You can get it for even less than that whenever they have 40% off. It says it has 3 years of shelf life, so well enough. Everything is mentioned on the box here, and the expiry date is also mentioned out here. Now this is how the product looks like. I really got attracted to the yellow packaging, to be honest, and I think this one comes in 2 shades. One is called Universal and one is called Natural. I wanted to pick up the natural one because I felt it's a yellow tone powder and it will really suit my warm tone skin, so I went for the natural one. So this is how it looks like. If I open it, it does have a mirror out here, and it comes with this kind of a sponge. Now the sponge is really nice. It's pretty soft. I would say अगर आप 150 का कॉम्पैक्ट ले रहे हैं उसके हिसाब से ये स्पॉन्ज काफ़ी अच्छा है. ना इट्स टोटली अप टू यू whether you want to use the sponge or not, but if you're carrying it with you, like when you're traveling and stuff and for touch-ups throughout the day, तभी ये sponge काफ़ी helpful होगा. Now let me show you closely how the shade looks like. So this is how it looks like, and it will suit I think fair to medium skin tones very well. So it is quite pigmented also, like if you can see that I barely touched it, and this is how it looks like. It will be difficult to show on camera, but yes, it's a pretty yellow tone powder, but not excessively yellow like the banana powder. So I'm totally happy with this shade. I think it suits me well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a demo by applying it on my face and then going to give you my final thoughts. Now for that I'll go ahead and do a little bit of prepping, like applying moisturizer and stuff. So please stay tuned. I'll be right back. So what I've done is I've gone ahead and applied a liberal amount of moisturizer. I've used a Nivea soft cream because it's really hot right now. I do not want to use a heavy base cream. If you have dry skin, definitely go for a heavy base moisturizer. So since I have really bad dark circles, I'm going to do a little bit of color correcting, and I'm also going to apply a little bit of concealer. So I'm just going to do that right now. Moving on, I'm going to use a concealer. I'm using the NY Bay foundation stick, and I'm going to apply it under my eyes where I applied the corrector. Now I'm going to go ahead and blend that concealer stick. Also, what's remaining on my brush, I'm going to just use it on my upper lid. Hey friends, moving on. So what I'm going to do is now I'm going to set my face with a compact powder. Now this side of my face I'm going to use the sponge, and this side of my face I am going to use the brush that I have, which I normally use for powder. So I've loaded my sponge with that powder, and I'm just going to press it here first. I'm going to apply on my upper lid, and then rest of my face I'm just going to dab first like that and sweep it a bit. Do not forget the neck, guys. Alright, so I'm done with applying powder on this side of my face. I feel there is a slight difference, not much to be honest. The sponge seems pretty okay, and I feel that थोड़ा ज़्यादा लगाना पड़ता है if you want to cover, like you know, blemishes and stuff. It will not really cover blemishes, but थोड़ा बहुत फ़र्क पड़ जाता है. So I'm going to keep this sponge aside, and I'm going to use this brush for blush, which I normally use, and for powder. This is like a Real Techniques dupe. ये आपको आसानी से मिल जाएगा. I think Swiss Beauty also makes something similar. So I'm going to load my brush with that powder. Can you see that? Tap off the excess and then sweep it below my eye and apply it to the rest of my face. I think with a brush it is more better in application, plus I can see a visible difference. Like, can you see this side looks more polished, this side looks okay. Okay, so now that we are done applying the powder on the entire face, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back, apply some makeup, and be right back. Alright friends, so I'm back after doing some light makeup on my face, and I'm liking my natural look today क्योंकि इसके बाद कहीं बाहर जाना नहीं है. So let's talk about the compact powder right now. As you can see, my face looks like that. Now I did use a concealer which is kind of not working for me, so it's okay. I am not going to go anywhere outside after this, so I'm happy with this natural look today. Coming to the packaging is really nice. It is a nice bright yellow kind of compact. If I open it, it comes with a sponge, and the formula of this powder is really nice, smooth and silky, and ये definitely आपका face matte finish, face को matte finish देता है. Can you see there is no shine or such? I did apply a little bit of highlighter, so you will find my face a bit glowy. Other than that, I think this is a great compact powder. The only con I find, in fact there are two cons in this. Firstly is the fragrance. It smells so strong. Some of you might get put off by the fragrance, but for me it's absolutely okay. Once you apply it on your face, वो fragrance कहीं तो गायब हो जाता है. Secondly, they say that they have sunscreen. Sunscreen कितना है, SPF कितना, is it 15, is it 30? So I would really appreciate if the brand mentions के कितना SPF है, so that way we are more aware के इस compact powder में क्या है. Also the shade thing is a little bit dicey, which I forgot to mention in the previous parts of the video. I think 2 shades are not enough. I think they should come up with more shades. Now, as if I know that they have launched a new type of compact powder, I'm not able to get hands on that, but I have seen that they have come up with deeper shades. So that's a really good step in the right direction for Blue Heaven, because Ever since they have launched, I have observed, and many people have commented this in their videos as well, that they do not have a unique or wide shade range, which is quite unfair for us as as Indians, because we have all different kinds of skin tones, from fair to medium to brown to even deeper type of skin tones. So that's a good thing. So whenever I get my hand on that compact powder, I'll definitely review it. If I have to recommend this powder, hell yes, I would recommend it. You get it for 150. With discount, you get it for like nothing like rupees 100. It gives a matte finish to the face. It is smooth in finish, and it easily lasts for like 3 to 4 hours. After that आपको थोड़ा सा टच अप करना पड़ेगा, खाली इसका फ्रेग्रेंस का प्रॉब्लम है. Also, it is an Indian brand, made in India. It's a cruelty free brand, so I think nothing better than that. I think this compact powder is really nice and it really surprised me. मैं सोच रही थी काफ़ी वो चौकी टाइप का होगा, लेकिन नहीं, इसका फॉर्मूला काफ़ी अच्छा है. They have done a good job with this compact powder, and if I have to recommend, I would definitely recommend it. Alright friends, so that is a wrap for today. That was my review of the Blue Heaven Matte Effect Compact Powder. There are minor problems with this compact powder in itself. One is the shade range, one is that there is no sunscreen, and thirdly there is a lot of perfume in it. If you skip these three things, I think it's a really good everyday compact powder. This is best suited for people who have oily to combination skin, especially oily, क्योंकि oily जो skin होता है वो काफ़ी oil use करता है, तो उसको set करने के लिए एक matte compact powder चाहिए. If you're looking for something budget friendly, definitely go for this one. Like, you get it for like 100, 105 and less than that, depending from where you're buying it. Also, it's a cruelty free brand, so a big thumbs up to that. So from my end, I would highly recommend this powder, and I really like it. And I would like to ask you, have you tried this compact powder? Let me know in the comment section. If you like this video, do not forget to give it a like, comment down below. Also share my video on my social media. और अगर सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो definitely कीजिए. So I thank you so much for watching this video. For now, I will see you all soon in my next one. Until then, take care. Bye bye.